Over the last year, I have been lucky to visit quite a few incredible places, but I don't think I was prepared for the magic of the Dolomites. Today I will share with you my first-hand experience of the Dolomites and why it left such a lasting impression on me. The Dolomites are a beautiful mountain range located in the northeast of Italy, offering some of the most unique and beautiful looking landscapes. After a long drive, a quick stop at my favorite mountain lake to whip around my drone, a couple of annoying bugs and a few hours of sleep later, it was time for the first adventure. To make the most out of the short trip, we decided to catch sunrise at the beautiful Sisa Alm to see for ourselves if it is worth the hype. But after barely making on time, a few breaks to soak in this landscape's beauty later, I can definitely say Sisa Alm didn't disappoint. After risking my life to take a picture of a cow, we made sure to hold this experience in our memories forever before packing up. Fueled by this amazing experience, we wanted to make this day even better. Our next stop was the Church of St. John's, with its unforgettable restful location right in front of the mountains. This literally could be a frame for a postcard. As this wouldn't have been enough, while casually walking around the nearby town, we just happened to be lucky enough to find the perfect spot to enjoy tonight's magical sunset. The next morning we went high up, to be exact 2,590 meters, to explore one of the Dolomites' most famous places and UNESCO World Heritage Site, Seceda. After what felt like ages of sitting in a cable car, we were presented with once again an out of this world view. As the time was running fast, before we could even fully comprehend what we just have experienced, we were already on our way to the next location, driving once again on windy mountain roads paired with breathtaking views. Our next stop was the picture-perfect Lake Carreza, which turned out to be not that picture-perfect after all. After this incredibly dry summer here in Europe, there was almost no water left in this otherwise so flourishing mountain lake. As this seemed not to be enough, I also decided to casually crash my drone into a tree, which led to my first ever drone rescue mission. But after hours of searching, the day had a happy end, finding and rescuing my still fully functional drone. To end this trip the right way, we decided to challenge ourselves and fully immerse ourselves into a cold ice bath in the mountain lake. This was something I've never done before, but after a few painful minutes in the cold water, my body started to adjust itself so that I had the chance to fully appreciate this once-in-a-lifetime swim. After spending enough time in the water that my skin color turned into sunburn red, it was time to put my clothes on and heat up. Sitting on this rock and looking back on the last couple of days, I can't help myself of thinking how incredible this trip was. The Dolomites definitely carved a special place in my heart, and I urge you to experience the Dolomites for yourself. As always, thank you for watching and consider subscribing if you liked this video. I see you in the next one.